The F450T Standing Transfer Aid from Span America is outfitted with all the essential features required to deliver a high-value combination of care flexibility, ease of use, patient comfort and stability, maneuverability, and safety for both patient and caregiver. The F450T is designed to provide transfer assistance to patients with the necessary strength to pull themselves up or lower themselves into the seated position under their own power, as well as the leg strength and stability to bear weight in the standing position. For these patients, its use encourages activity and helps maintain strength. For patients who do not meet these criteria, a powered lift should be used. To begin, open the base. Approach the wheelchair. Roll forward so that the patient can place their feet down on the foot platform, and the shins are close to the shin pads as possible. Now lock the casters. The patient grabs onto the support bars and pulls up into a standing position. Then we flip down the seat pads to secure the patient. Unlock the casters, close the base back down if necessary. Take the patient over to the bed. Lock the casters again. The patient leans forward to take their weight off the seat pads, allowing the pads to be flipped out of the way. The patient then lowers herself down onto the bed. Follow these same steps for transfers from chair to commode or bed to chair. For additional safety, an optional support strap can be used during transfer. To use, simply attach the loop to the hook on one side, then bring the strap around across the patient's lower back. Connect the remaining loop, positioning it so it provides maximum support.